Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming you have admin approval or a removal ticket. This prevents policy conflicts. Back up any local files and app settings because once the portal is removed, sync data may be wiped. Next, sign out of corporate accounts and turn off automatic sync to avoid re-enrollment. Once done, make sure device time and network are stable. They affect authentication. These steps prevent loss and reduce errors during the disable process. You now open the company portal app and select Remove or Unenroll. This notifies the server to unregister the device. If removal stalls, go to Settings, Profiles, or Device Management and revoke the management profile manually. This removes enforced policies. Then delete MDM certificates and clear the portal app data so no residual settings remain. Make sure you're on a reliable network. Intermittent connections can leave You finish by restarting the device. A reboot clears lingering services and enforces removed policies. After reboot, verify corporate apps, restrictions, and profiles are gone, and remove any corporate accounts or saved credentials and accounts. If the portal still appears, collect logs, note the exact time of your removal attempt, and contact IT. This helps them trace enrollment events. One key troubleshooting tip: retry removal while on a different network. Captive or filtered networks often block final steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.